I am Yumlembam Nandakumar Singh, lecturer in botany. I will be teaching class 11 and 12 biology. Today I will discuss a particular chapter of class 12 biology, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. We have discussed about the types of reproductions. Akhoi mamangi haukiba chapter 1 da reproduction gi makhal ani tamkhre. We have two types of reproduction. Ahanba makhal da asexual reproduction haiba. Anisuba type tana sexual reproduction haiba. Haiba asexual reproduction jiga sexual reproduction jiga magi yam distinct waiba major difference ama hek haibada anisi kari khanagi haibada khangadaba se masi kaino haragadi asexual reproduction dadi offspring haibadi progeny akhona char hainaba hariba form to matamda there is no fertilization haibadi male amasung female gamete se fuse taude haiba aduga sexual reproduction dana offspring form to matamda haibadi young ones form to matamda male amasung female gamete se fuse tawi aduga zygote form tawi. Now let's see in details about the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Hojikti akhoi sexual reproduction in flowering plants maramda in details oina discuss over yarani. Sexual reproduction kaino masi young ones form tobani gamete form toraga amasung gamete to fuse toraga zygote form toraga hai. Sexual reproduction ki basic process khar lei. Ahanbada gametogenesis haibadi gamete form to ba haiba, that is formation of the male and female gametes. Anisubada haiba male amasung female gamete se masi fuse tawi haibadi fertilize tawi aduga zygote form tawi na haiba basic step se masi akoina fertilization kawi. Ahun suba basic process kaino haigadi ngasai fertilization form tawhiba zygote se sisna embryo form tawani, that is the development of zygote into embryo. Masi akoina kari kawi sexual reproduction da embryogenesis kawi. Haibadi sexual reproduction ki basic process ahum lebi ai se gametogenesis gamete form toba, fertilization male amasung female gamete fuse toba amasung form toriba zygote se sisna embryo amba embryogenesis. Hariba sexual reproduction ki basic process hariba se masi flowering plants to gi flower do tawi. That means flowers are the site as well as the organs. I repeat, flowers are the site as well as the organ specialized to perform sexual reproduction. Now, what are flowers? We have discussed in the class 11, and you know, flowers are the modified shoot. Flowers have flowers have flowering plants da makoishi modified shoot ni. So they are modified shoot. Kay modified toriba for carrying out the process of sexual reproduction taunaba. Now, typical flower amada part marile ahanba part kaino se khwai mapan thangba part calyx lay calyx ki respective components de khona sepals kawi mathang da calyx ki manung da corolla lay corolla ki respective components petals kawi. Then inner to the corolla you have androecium. Androecium respective members na kay kawi we call them as stamen kawi. Adu khwaidagi manung thangba sarukta yauriba flowery component kaino gynoecium ni. Hariba gynoecium ki respective components na we call them as carpel su kawi amasung pistil su kawi. Now hariba typical flower amada laiba part mari haibadi calyx corolla androecium amasung gynoecium haibase sigi maraktagi ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ first two part we can say calyx ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ corolla ꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ sexual reproduction ꯗ involve ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ calyx ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ corolla ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ non essential organs ꯀꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ androecium ꯀꯩꯅꯣ androecium ꯁꯤꯗꯤ flower ꯗꯨꯒꯤ male reproductive organ ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ gynoecium ꯀꯩꯅꯣ gynoecium ꯁꯤꯅ flower ꯗꯒꯤ female reproductive organ ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ androecium ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ gynoecium ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ sexual reproduction ꯗ directly involve ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ essential organs ꯀꯧꯏ now ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ androecium ꯒꯤ component ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ stamen ꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ component ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ stamen ꯗꯨ components ꯇꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ process sexual reproduction ꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ flowering plants ꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ now stamen ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ stamen ꯁꯤ androecium ꯒꯤ respective component ꯅꯤ which represent ꯇꯧꯏ the male reproductive organ ꯅꯤ flowering plants కి or flower ꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ stamen ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ we have two parts part ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯇꯣꯟ ꯊꯪꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ part ꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ anther ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ anther ꯁꯤ fertile part ꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤꯅꯣ anther fertile part ꯀꯧꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ anther ꯁꯤꯗ pollen grains form ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ pollen grains ꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ sexual reproduction ꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ male gametes ꯇꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ produce ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ anther ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ fertile part ꯑꯃꯅꯤ stamen ꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ anther ꯑꯃꯗ lobe ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯏ so anther is bilobe ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ language ꯗ so anther is found to be bilobe lobe ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯂꯩ there are some flowering plants where the anther is unilobe ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩ which are found to be unilobe ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ bilobe anther ꯑꯃ transverse section ꯗ ꯀꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯛꯏꯕ section ꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ bilobe anther ꯗ microsporangium ꯀꯧꯕ pollen grains form ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ body ꯃꯔꯤ ꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ bilobe anther ꯑꯃꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ microsporangium ꯃꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ or ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ the bilobe anther is tetrasporangiate so and each lobe having two microsporangium ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ lobe ꯑꯃꯗ microsporangium ꯑꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ bilobe anther ꯑꯃꯗ microsporangia ꯃꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ microsporangium ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ anther ꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯨꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ that means when anther mature this microsporangia will develop into pollen sac and inside the pollen sac are produced or are packed with several thousands of pollen grains which contain male gametes now hꯧji amu yengasi microsporangium karino microsporangium haibase masi akoina anther gi manung da yawba pollen grains form toba adugumba body amane haiba microsporangium se akoina transversely kaage yema matamda masi circular oi it is found to be circular in outline adu haiba microsporangium si wall layer mari lay khwaidagi mapan thangba wall layer da kai lay epidermis lay epidermis ki manung thangbada endothelium lay hariba endothelium ki manung da mu kai lay middle layer lay hariba microsporangium khwaidagi manung thangba layer da lay basi kai no machine akuna tapetum kawe hariba tapetum kai no haitadi tapetum is the innermost wall layer of the microsporangium na haigani akoina hariba outermost three wall layer haibadi kana epidermis ne endothelium ne middle layer ne makhoi function je masi protection ni amasung anther duna pollen grain release tobada mateng pangi hariba tapetum haibadi innermost wall layer da leriba tapetum se masidi yamna unique way kari oibano harigadi hariba tapetum zigi sariba cells singse, that means the cells of the tapetum have dense cytoplasm yam kum yawa amasung cell amada nucleus si amadi hena yawe habadi multi nucleated oil amasung hariba tapetum je masigi function yamna sawi karigumba plants to da tapetum si function oidragadi pollen grains form to bangamoy apung phaba ngamoy karigino harigadi the main function of this tapetum is to nourish chinjak pibaneba kanada pollen grains developing pollen grains to da aduna akoina tapetum si flowering plants enter manung yawriba microsporidium da yawbase masi yan maru oi. Now hausi mula se hariba microsporidium manungda have the enters in knowing it is filled with homogeneous mass of samanaba cells sabun amana filled away hariba samanaba cells sabun se masi akoina kari kawi haigadi akoina sporogenous tissue kawi, or you can say sporogenous cells. That means when the anther is young, the center of the microsporidium is filled with a homogeneous mass of cells called sporogenous tissue, and the cells of this tissue will further develop into microspore mother cells, also called pollen mother cell. Now let's see hariba microsporidium se simanungda sexual reproduction ga mai lenaba process kai tawi yengase. Now in the first place you have microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis haiba se it is the process amani in which the pollen mother cell, also called microsome mother cell, undergo meiosis and produce haploid microspore haibani. Microsome mother cell amana meiosis tamatamda microspore mari form tawe hai mari se napsan nagale hai ba microspore mari se masi akoina microspore tetrad kawe haibadi tetrad haibadi mari haibani haibadi microspore mother cell amana microspore mari produce tawe haibani aduna hariba enters in mulakanda hariba tetrad amada yauriba microspore se si dissociate haibadi separation tawre aduga hariba microspore amamam se sisna pollen grains amamam ole haibadi one microspore will develop into one pollen grain. So this process we can say by which the microspore develop into pollen grain, and this process we can recall as microgametogenesis. Have a process amasulay. Now pollen grains ki structure yengasi amusung mawon kari kari yawi sexual reproduction by the naba yengasi. Pollen grains kaino pollen grains si ham khangadosi pollen grains represent the male gametophyte. Flowering plants ki dimasi male gametophyte containing the male gametes. Pollen grains are unique way, but they are found to differ in their architecture. Hai di pollen grains si plant amaga species ama pollen grain structure mande size mande shape mande, but akoina generally yang matamda the pollen grains are found to be spherical, measuring about 25 to 50 micrometers in diameter ne. Aduga hariba pollen grains se masigi wall layer distinct oiba prominent oiba wall layer ani dei. Mapan thangba wall layers na we call them as exine kawi. Aduga manung thangba wall layer se masina intine kawi. Hariba mapan thamagi exine hariba wall layer se it is found to be thick thai haba amasung hariba se hard conjugally amasung hariba hojiki exine se masi kari chemical sage hagadi it is composed of sporopollenin sai hariba sporopollenin se masi organic substance ki manungda khwaidagi kanbagi manungda haibadi yamna resistant oiba adugumba chemical substance amani haba sporopollenin se is found to be resistant way to high temperature, strong acid, alkali, and enzyme degradation. And it is because of the presence of sporopollenin in the enzyme that the pollen grains are well preserved as fossils. Karigumba haidi pollen grains ki sigi mapan thangma layer si padhaba jaga se machina pollen grains example and organized away. High example are the portions, small thin apertures like, and from where the pollen grain produce the pollen tube at time of germination. Now, the intine kadawi, the intine is thin oil, madi manungi pollen grains wall layer ni continues to oil and is found to be composed of cellulose and the pectin. Haibadi intine sikaini sai, cellulose amasung pectin sai. Now again, have a pollen grain se masi cytoplasm se amuk intine du manungda kaida plasma membrane amuk enclosed away, is enclosed by the plasma membrane. Now amu yang asi when pollen grain mature, haibadi pollen grains na mature oiba kanda, it has two shells. Hai the pollen grains makung phama tamda cell ani yawi achoba amaga macha amaga, and this bigger shell achoba shell se masi akoina vegetative cell kawi chawi madi cytoplasm marang kaina yawi amasung shape of the nucleus the irregular way, haibadi chang nai daba, haibadi round way daba, irregular shape way. Now hariba apikpa cell se masi kai kawi koina, we call them as generative cell kawi. Hariba generative cell se masidi is found to be floating in the cytoplasm of the vegetative cell ni, and is found small maripi ma divide tawi aduga form tawi melt gametes form tawi aduga haba vegetative cell se madi makhatan divide tawde magi function kaino harigadi pollen tube form tawani. So aduna akoina haba pollen grains amada yawriba two cells se haibadi vegetative cell amasun generative cell se kari khenai harigadi this vegetative cell chawi aduga this generative cell kedawi mana pi vegetative cell na pollen tube form tawi aduga generative cell kedawi mana divide tawi aduga two male gametes form tawi. In 60% of the flowering plants, the pollen grains are released, are set the two cell stage. Haibadi flowering plants ki 60% da pollen grains se mapung phare khoi satlo haina enter dagi thadorok pa je two cell stage release tawi. Karigumba pollen grains si two cell stage release tawa taragadi have pollen grains amada yaw du si kaino one vegetative cell ga amana generative cell gani. In the remaining 40% of flowering high lemhoriba 40% of flowering plants se the pollen grains are released at the three cell stage. Karigumba pollen grains na three cell stage release toba taragadi hariba generative cell se masina mitotically divide toraga two male gamete form toba se masi pollination se towding at the tawi haiba. So if the pollen grains are released at the three cell stage, the pollen grain will have one vegetative cells and a two male gametes. Karigumba pollen grain se masi mapung paragadi, the pollen grain will be released from the anther and will be transferred to the stigma of the carpel, and this process is called pollination kawi. That will be discussed in the remaining classes.